Today we're diving into the world of customer relationship management with two industry-leading platforms, Pipedrive and HubSpot. Pipedrive is a robust CRM solution known for its simplicity and effectiveness in managing sales pipelines, while HubSpot offers a comprehensive suite of marketing, sales, and customer service tools designed to grow your business. Throughout this comparison, we'll explore key aspects such as features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a quick look at these tools' main features. Pipedrive features include intuitive sales pipeline management. Pipedrive excels in visualizing and managing sales pipelines, allowing users to track deals effortlessly. Automation and integration. With customizable automation features and seamless integrations, Pipedrive streamlines sales processes. Sales reporting and insights. Pipedrive provides in-depth analytics and reporting, empowering users to make data-driven decisions. Email tracking and communication. Users can track emails, schedule meetings, and communicate with leads directly within Pipedrive. HubSpot features include all-in-one marketing and sales platform. HubSpot offers a wide range of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service, providing a comprehensive solution. Advanced marketing automation. HubSpot's marketing automation capabilities enable personalized and targeted campaigns to nurture leads effectively. CRM with AI-powered insights. HubSpot's CRM provides AI-driven insights, helping users prioritize leads and close deals faster. Content management and SEO. HubSpot includes content management and SEO tools to attract, engage, and delight customers.
Comparing pricing, Pipedrive offers plans starting at $15 per month for its essential plan, with more advanced plans such as the advanced and professional plans available at $29 and $59 per month respectively. On the other hand, HubSpot's pricing structure varies depending on the selected features and add-ons, with plans starting at $45 per month for its starter CRM and up to $1,200 per month for the Enterprise Growth Suite. In terms of user experience, Pipedrive offers a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for sales teams to navigate and use the platforms efficiently. HubSpot, with its comprehensive suite of tools, provides a more extensive user experience, albeit with a steeper learning curve due to its breadth of features. Summarizing the pros and cons, Pipedrive stands out for its simplicity, visual sales pipeline management, and affordable pricing. However, it may lack some of the advanced marketing and automation features found in HubSpot. On the other hand, HubSpot offers a wide range of functionalities, including marketing automation, CRM, and customer service tools. But it does come with a higher price tag and may be overwhelming for smaller businesses.
Alternatives to Pipedrive and HubSpot include Salesforce, Zoho CRM, and Freshsales. Salesforce is a highly customizable CRM platform suitable for enterprise-level businesses, while Zoho CRM offers a user-friendly interface and affordable pricing. Freshsales, with its AI-powered features, is ideal for small to mid-sized businesses looking for advanced CRM capabilities.
Both Pipedrive and HubSpot offer unique strengths tailored to different business needs. For smaller businesses focused on sales pipeline management and simplicity, Pipedrive may be the better choice. However, for organizations seeking a comprehensive suite of marketing, sales, and customer service tools with scalability, HubSpot provides a robust solution. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your business's specific requirements and goals. Don't forget to explore our links in the description to learn more about these powerful CRM solutions. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful comparisons and tips to streamline your business operations with EasyInternet.